बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आलि मुहम्मद वअज्जिल फरज आलि मुहम्मद। लास्ट टाइम हमने पढ़ा था कोप रीअरेंजमेंट, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे उसी की एक एक्सटेंशन है ऑक्सी कोप रीअरेंजमेंट। दिस इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ कोप रीअरेंजमेंट। कोप रीअरेंजमेंट क्या थी कि रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ 1,5 डाइईन इनटू इट्स आइसोमेरिक डाइईन। तो when 1,5 diene has substitution of OH groups on the 3 or the 4 carbon, उसमें 3 और 4 कार्बन पे मिथाइल ग्रुप थे जो रीअरेंज हो जाते थे। देन प्रोडक्ट गिव्स द एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन बाय द टाटोमेराइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन शिफ्टिंग। देन जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है वो फिर टाटोमेराइज हो जाता है और वो एल्डिहाइड बना देता है या कीटोन बना देता है। जैसे यहाँ पे ये 1 कार्बन है, ये 2, ये 3 और ये 4 कार्बन के ऊपर ये 1,5, ये कोई भी अल्काइल ग्रुप हो सकता है 4 के ऊपर ये, तो इसको आप बोलेंगे 1,5 हेक्साडाई इन 4 ओल। हेक्सा डाई इन 4 ओल। It is 1,5 hexa diene 4 ol। मे बी आर ग्रुप 4 मिथाइल 4 अल्काइल जो भी है। तो this double bond between 1 and 2 rearrange between 2 and 3 carbon, and bond 3 and 4 carbon breaks and shifts between 4 and 5 carbon. This 5 and 6 carbon rearrange and shift between 1 and 5 carbon through a cyclic transition state. So then this will give the product this carbon which has the substitution of OH has double bonded. This carbon is shifted between this and this carbon. So this is the single bond and this is the double bond. This will be called this is 1 carbon, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. This is its isomeric diene. Now this proton shift on the 2 carbon and this double bond shift between carbon and oxygen. So carbon and oxygen will become double bond and this proton is shifted here. So it is called a oxy-cope rearrangement. Now azo-cope rearrangement, it is a heteroatom cope rearrangement. That is the nitrogen atom. Here NH is attached on the, if this is 1 carbon, this is 2 and 3 carbon. Similarly, if we single bond is called as 1, this is 2 and 3. So on the 3 carbon NH is attached. This is the azo group. This is called, now this bond between nitrogen and carbon shifted between nitrogen and carbon 3, and 2 and 3 carbon shift between 1 and 1 carbon. So this will become, this will break, 1 and 1 bond will break and shift between 1 and 2 carbon here. So this will be arranged in this compound 3,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement. It is the 3,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement. Shift, it involves the shift of single bond and the double bond between two allelic groups components. This is one allelic group 1, 2, 3, and this is the other allelic group 1, 2 and 3. So this is basically, it involves the shifting of double and triple bond between two allelic groups components. It is the azo-cope rearrangement. Now sigma-tropic rearrangement. Sigma-tropic rearrangement is the rearrangement of sigma bond which is attached in a conjugated system alternating double and single bond to a new position within the molecule. Like this is a conjugated system, double bond and then a single bond and then is double bond and then methyl group. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is called 1,3 pentadiene. 1,3 pentadiene. Now bond, this proton shift on carbon number 1, this bond between 1 and 2 shift between 2 and 3, and 3 and 4 double bond shift between 5 and 4, and this proton shift on carbon number 1. This is called 1,5 shift. This will become CH3, CH, this is called 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. This is the indistinguishable from the first one. 1 pentadiene is converted into its isomeric pentadiene. Here basically position in the space is changed of the proton. So this is 1,3 pentadiene. So this is the proton shifted on the carbon number 1. It is the sigma tropic rearrangement. Number of sigma and pi bonds remain the same. Rearrangement of sigma bond occurs. Hydrogen must attach in the conjugated system to show the sigma tropic rearrangement. Sigma tropic rearrangement occurs by the retention or inversion of configuration. It involves the three-dimensional geometry. Retention or inversion of configuration occurs. It depends upon the configuration, spatial arrangement of the carbon and hydrogen atoms. 1,3 sigma tropic rearrangement of hydrogen. Hydrogen atom shifts from 1 position to 3 position, 3 carbon. Like this is 2 butene. It shifts into the 1 butene. Bond between 1 and 2. 2 and 3 shifts between 1 and 2 carbon, and this proton shift on the 3 carbon. So this will become the 1 butene. 2 butene convert into the 1 butene after sigma tropic rearrangement. It involves the cyclic transition state, like this double bond breaks and is formed between this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, 3, this is 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. So bond between 2 and 3 breaks and shifts between 1 and 2 carbon. This will become double bond and that is breaking down. Now bond of 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen atom breaks and it is formed with the carbon number 3. Now this is the cyclic transition state. After it, this will become carbon number 1 and 2, it's double bond, and then CH, and then this proton from 1 carbon will shift to the 3 carbon. This is CH2 and then CH3. It is called 1 butene. This is the sigma tropic rearrangement. Now different rearrangements of carbon atom and hydrogen atom, 1, 3, 1, 5, etc. we will study in the next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraj ali Muhammad.